Hey, boys and girls. So you are going to be doing one last writing assignment, and that is what this video is about. It is writing a paragraph and understanding the parts of a paragraph. Now, we put a packet in the office for your parents to pick up with this. It's also on Plus Portals, and it will help you to understand. So everything I'm going to go through today, you have there for you to look at as well. So a paragraph. Now I wanted to show you one of my favorite books here. So a paragraph is just one short writing, okay? This is a paragraph I wrote that I'm going to be talking about on this video. It's not a story. It's not like really long. Actually, our assignment right now is requiring you to write 5 sentences. That's all. The first one is called the intro. The topic sentence. It introduces your paragraph, what it's going to be about. Number 2 is you're going to tell us about that. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. Only 5 sentences you need to write in this. This is not a story. That might make you happy. It doesn't have to be real long, okay? So I'm going to show you in a book what paragraphs look like, okay? So here is one page, and you see right here, so this is a story, this is a book. It has one paragraph there, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. See, that's a bunch of paragraphs. So all stories and all books are made up of paragraphs. Now, children's books are a little different. They wouldn't necessarily have a lot of paragraphs. But for the most part, books are made up of a bunch of paragraphs. You only have to write one right now, but we want you to understand what makes a good paragraph. So one of the first things is you have to have a strong topic sentence. The first thing that you're writing in that paragraph is a clue about what's coming in that paragraph, okay? Then then you're going to write 3 sentences that talk about that topic sentence. Kind of tell us a little bit about what you started to write about. Then the last sentence, because you're going to write 5 sentences, is a conclusion. It tells the ending of the paragraph. It kind of brings it to a closure. Now, I've provided for you the details on what, in your packet, on what makes a good paragraph, okay? So you can think of it like a hamburger. So you have the top bun, which is the topic sentence. Then you look at the inside. This is what's inside. Okay, you have the top and the bottom bun, but the inside is supporting details. It's the sentences that tell us about the topic sentence. It's 3 details, 3 sentences, just like I wrote here. Okay? And then the ending, the conclusion, is the bottom part of that, okay? So it's like a hamburger, okay? You have the top part, that is a topic sentence, bottom part, that's a conclusion, and all the details in that paragraph are inside this hamburger, okay? So let's look at this. A topic sentence, okay? A topic sentence is the main sentence, the first sentence in a paragraph, okay? I wrote here a paragraph about Mars. My first sentence is, Mars has a beautiful reddish brown color. That is my topic sentence. What's the clue I'm giving you here? What am I talking about? Mars. I'm also talking about colors, so I might talk some more about that in my sentences to go with my topic sentence, okay? So that is our first thing we're going to look at, is the topic sentence. You have this paper here to remind you what a topic sentence has in it, okay? It gives you the main idea of the writing. Number 2, supporting details are the sentences. Right here, these are the sentences. Those are the supporting details about the main topic. So let me read you my supporting details in my paragraph. Now, I also use the same page you're going to use to write your report. that is included in the packet. I put my name up there. I put the title of the planet that I'm writing about. And then I said, Mars has a beautiful reddish brown color, topic sentence. Then I went into the detail. Now I'm going to highlight something here for you so you see how this works. So I'm going to highlight my 3 details that I wrote as I read it to you. It is the second smallest planet in our solar system. Sentence number 1. Sometimes Mars can be called the red planet because of the iron minerals on the surface. Sentence number 2. Mars has many colors than just the red. Those are my sentences. I actually wrote an extra one, but you are not required. You only have to write 3 sentences. But I wrote another one. It also has gold, tan, and brown. This is the body of the paragraph. This is the inside. Okay? Now, I don't think I mentioned this, but you get to write your paragraph because we're in a space unit now. You get to write your paragraph on a planet. That's why I did Mars. You get to write about your favorite planet. So you're going to give us a topic sentence, 3 sentences with details like I did there. Here is the topic sentence. Okay? Then here is the conclusion. I think it would be amazing to go to Mars. And that's the last part that you're writing about is the conclusion. Okay? And then we find the conclusion paper here I want to show you. Because this is really, and the important part of a story is you're going to bring it to an end. Okay? But this is not a story, this is a paragraph. But when you write a story, you have to have a conclusion. So in a paragraph, you have to have a conclusion too about that paragraph. Kind of bring it to an end. Okay? So it wraps it up. It reminds the reader of the topic you're talking about. Okay? This is also in your packet to give you ideas on how to do that. So my conclusion is, I think it would be amazing to go to Mars. That's my conclusion. So I wrote the topic sentence, 3 supporting details, 3 sentences. Okay, we talked about that, the hamburger, then the conclusion. Here's the top bun, the sentences that go inside, and then the bottom bun. Okay, the same concept, the same principle, right? Topic, supporting details, and then the conclusion, just like a hamburger bun. Helps me to remember it. So that is an example of a paragraph. Here, I want to show you these 3 things here. This is a poem. This is a list. Okay? Because I want you to see the difference between a paragraph, a list, and a sentence. Here's a paragraph. Here's a list, like a grocery list or a Christmas list. And then look at a poem. Even a poem is different than a paragraph. A poem is going to be shorter, maybe longer, but it's not going to have the same structure as a paragraph does, okay? So, I think you're going to have a fun time writing about your favorite planet. We also included in the packet, your writing plate that you're going to use, template. Put your name up there, your name of the planet you're using, and then write it here. Left you plenty of room to write 5 sentences. Then you also get to draw a picture of your favorite planet. Now, boys and girls, when you're done with this, be sure to have your parents take a picture and send it to us teachers so we know what you did. We're excited to see it. Have fun writing a paragraph, topic sentence, 3 sentences to tell about that, and then a conclusion. And also, you have your packet there. If you have any questions about anything in regards to this, reach out to your teachers. Of course, we are here to help you. All right? Enjoy writing your paragraph with a topic sentence, 3 supporting details, and a conclusion. Take care.